Hello traders, today we are going to analyze V25 warners. So I have this zone here. So this zone I draw them from H4 time frame. Why I consider H4 time frame? Because H4 time frame is weekly range, and this week is soon to go to be end. It means the weekly candle for this week, this candle we remain with few hours so that it can be closed. So that's why I draw my zone from weekly range. So I have this zone here, this touch, this touch, this touch. Then there is this zone. This zone I draw it here because they are like, if they like forming a pattern. You see this pattern, like they want to form head and shoulder pattern, but it fails. So that's why I was putting my zone here. I put my zone over here, or even if because this is H4 is weekly range, and when you drop down to H1 daily range, you can see this pattern they were forming. It's like they are forming head and shoulder pattern, but we what we need in order this head and shoulder to be complete, the retest on this level. But see what they did. You see, this is not a strong breakout. So I draw this zone because of, even if I go to this, once I minimize the noises, once I go to higher time frame, because once you go more to lower time frame, you expand a lot of noises of the market. You see a lot of noises, but once you go to higher time frame, you minimize the noises. So you see there is as you can see, we minimize the noises, but as you can see this pattern. But once they come here to this zone, yes, they come to the test to form a right shoulder. And so what we here, what they do, this is not a true breakout, not a strong breakout. So once I come to daily range at H1, see what yesterday they did. They push as if they want to continue to push. It's like they finished to create this lefty, I mean the right shoulder, but they were not yet. It was a fake. Why? Because this breakout is a breakout, but it is not a strong breakout. So at least if it was a true breakout, at least we want to see they push a strong push, then a retracement, then a push to the upside. But they are not doing that. So this was a fake breakout. Then today, because this is yesterday, so the day before yesterday they push, then they come here because of this liquidity. It means this is their neck now. This is the neck of this pattern. But once they come to test a zone for the left shoulder to create a right shoulder, see what they did. They come they break this. This also, it was a fake breakout. They come again up, this was a fake breakout. Today they push, they come to retest. So even today what I was looking is for the market to do a strong push to the upside, then you wait for the market to come back to retest, then we know that they finish to create this lefty shoulder, I mean the right shoulder, but they are not doing that. So it was a trap, it was manipulation. So now you forget about this pattern now, because they failed to create this right shoulder. So now what we need to look now, you need to wait, because until they reach, so you need to stay at this weekly range at H4 time frame. Then either even this one, maybe it was a fake breakout, because there is a level here, a daily at a daily range at H1, there is a this low here, low of yesterday. So maybe they come to retest this low. So we need to see a strong confirmation here, a strong confirmation candle. You can take a trade here once you see there is a rejection plus confirmation candle. That is number one. Number two, if you didn't see any confirmation candle here, it means they will continue to push down up to this weekly zone here. So we wait for the market, we wait the confirmation here to daily range H1, H30 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever. Those all of them are the daily range once you are in a 15 minutes, 30 minutes H1. So we need to see some of price action here, and once we move to price action to lower time frame, maybe 5 minutes, 15 minutes, but once you go to higher time frame like H4, once there is a price action here to lower time frame, automatic at H4 time frame you will see also confirmation candle, and at H1. So if you didn't see, it means like now there is nothing, it means they are continue to push down. So we wait them to this weekly zone here. Once they come here, then we will start looking for a buying opportunity, because what they are telling me, they come again to test this level. So it's better to wait until the market reaching here, or if they turn to this level here, it means they will push, and also you need, if you take a risk at this level, it's okay, it's all about you, but I don't suggest someone to take a risk at this level. We need to consider this major zone here. So if you are in a H1 time frame or 30 minutes or 15 minutes, is better to wait for the market. If they make their turn here from this zone, so it's better to wait for the market to push until they break this level again. Then once they come to retest, if you see a rejection plus confirmation candle at this level, if they are not going to push up to this level, because they are the one who knows if they will reach here or if they will turn from somewhere here. So for us, a retail trader, we need to focus to see a chance. If we see a chance, we take a trade. If you didn't see, then wait until they decide, because now they are not yet decide to buy, they are still selling. So if you are in this time frame which one, what you need to wait the market again to break this level, and once they come to retest, you buy to retest, and you get a confirmation candle, because they will be also creating another pattern, head and shoulder pattern. Then you took a trade. Otherwise, you need to wait for the market to push up to this zone. This will be our buying zone, or once they break this level again and retest, you know this is the buy zone. And another buying zone is here, but it is minor zone. This is minor zone. You need a strong price action to lower time frame, like 5 minutes. If you see a pattern, they create a pattern here, maybe they push like here in 5 minutes. If you see a push, because they now they break this low of yesterday, so you need to see a strong push to the upside and a retracement. Once they come to retest, then they are creating a pattern, a W, a pattern. Then you buy, you take a risk here, you buy. Once you see a rejection plus confirmation candle, you buy, you put your stop loss here. Then you can capture maybe this movement, then re-entry once they come to retest this level again, then you buy. So there is like a 3 buying zone. The first one, this one, here, and above this level.